Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the strings in Python. So these are the five topics that we are going to discuss in this video. So first topic is what is the string in a Python? So let us see the answer to this question. So the answer to this question is here. The string in Python is a collection of Unicode characters. So what do you mean by the Unicode characters? It's a 2-byte character in memory. So normally a character like A, B, C, whatever you take, that takes 1 byte in memory. But the thing is that throughout the world, there are many characters are used which cannot be accommodated within 1 byte. So to accommodate all of them, so to collect them, all of them, we need at least 2 bytes inside a memory area. So that is why all those to accommodate all those characters, all the strings in the Python, the characters in the Python, they are taken as a 2-byte character, and those are known as the Unicode characters. So in case of Python, if you are dealing with the strings, then all those strings are the collection of the Unicode characters, and Unicode characters takes 2 byte in memory. So here, if you see like here in the representation of the string, so second topic is the string representation. So we can take this example, like here is the representation of the string. So if you want to know the size of this string inside the memory that it will be taking, then it will be 12 bytes, because there are 6 characters, 3, 4, 5, 6, and each of the character is taking 2 bytes. So this entire string will be taking 12 bytes in memory, right? So it's not like in Python, it is not going to take only 1 byte, it is going to take 2 bytes. And here are the representation of the strings. So you can represent the strings within a single quote, you can represent within a double quote, you can represent within 3 single quotes, beginning and end, and you can represent within 3 double quotes in the beginning and the end. So these are the different ways to represent the strings, and we will see the significance of representing these in these manner when we will discuss about the multi-line strings in this video only. So let's go to the special characters. The third topic is the special characters. What are the special characters? You might be aware that slash t is used for the tab, slash b is used for the backspace. So these are the special characters, but sometimes we want to show these special characters in our string. So if you want to show the special character, suppose you want to show this slash c in your string, and if you print it like this, then do you think it will be printed here? So let us print this one. I have removed all the other print statements for the time being. So when you print this one, let us see what happens. So when you print this, you can see that rather than printing slash t, it has created a tab, and then it has printed is good. So Vikash and then tab is good. So the slash t is for the tab characters. But if you want to print this character slash t, then you need to use another slash before this. So if you want to print any of the special character, use a slash, a backward slash before that character, special character, and that will be printed. Now let us see if it gets printed or not. Here you go. You can see that Vikas slash T is good. This one is printed now. So this is how you will be able to represent any, you will be able to show any of the special characters. Let's take one more example. Let's take slash B, which is used for the backspace. So let's see what it does. Okay, so you can see this has created a backspace basically. So there was one space. This has, eaten up this backspace, and this is only one space here. Vikas is good. Now, if I use another slash b, then another slash b, then one of the characters might be missing now. You can see Vika, okay, S, it has eaten S as well. S and H both, right? Because there are three backslashes. But if I want to show these backslashes B with backslash, then I can use another backslash before these backslash B characters. So now let us see what happens. All these should have been printed now, okay? So Vikas slash B slash B slash B is good. So this is how you can print these special characters in Python. Okay. So this one I will share with you you can see it in the document section. I will upload it as a document. All these code I will upload it for you so that you can refer it later on. Now let us come to the raw string. So raw string is nothing but simple string where you simply create a string which will be taken as a true string, right? So it will not take care of this slash t being a special character or not. It will simply print it. So if I have used R here, and if I print this S1 here, then I don't need to use another slash here. It will simply print this slash t here because this has been taken as a raw string and there is no meaning of any special character. So in simple terms, you can remember it like this way, that any string where any of the special characters doesn't have any specific meaning, they don't have any importance, then in that case that kind of string is known as the raw string. So now if I run this, you will be able to see that Vikas slash t is good, it has been printed. So now if I remove this r, then you can see that then it will become a regular string, and now it will be again printing like Vikas and slash t becomes a tab and then is good. So you can see it here. So this is all about the raw string. And you can, if you want to make a string as a raw string, you can use R before the string, before declaring the string, or the capital R. So both small r and the capital R both can work. And now you can see the output with capital R as well for your satisfaction. So here you can see the S1 has been printed with Vikas slash T is good. So I hope you might have understood about this concept of raw string here. Now let us take the last example of today, which is the multi-lining. Okay, so what is the multi-lining of this string? So you know that we can represent the string in four ways. So if you have represented your string in this manner or in this manner, and if you want to add, if you want to add the multi line to this string, then in that case you need to use this slash, backward slash, after this space, after this single quotes, give a space and then backslash, then Kumar, and then space and then backslash and then Shakya. Right now if I print this, print S1, let us see what comes. Let me remove this one and let me just run it. So Vikas Kumar Shakya, you can see that even if I have given them on the different lines, it has been treated as a single line. Although I have given them in different lines, but they will be treated as a single line. And same is true for the S2, which has been taken inside the double quotes. Okay, so if I have taken this inside the double quotes, then also S2 will be printed like this. It will be treated as a single string. Here you go, Vikas Kumar Shakya. This is the single line string, even if I have given them on the different lines, the different sections of this string are on the different lines, but doesn't matter. If you have used the single quote or the double quote, every string, no matter in how many lines you have taken, that will be considered as a single string, single line string. Now let's come to the interesting part, which is the multi-line, true multi-line strings. Okay, so this is S3. I have used three single quotes, and I have given this Kumar Shakya on the next line. Now, if I print this, what will happen? Let's see. This is a true multi-line, which means that they will be printed on different lines. You can say Vikash and then Kumar Shakya. That has been printed on different lines. So that is how it works. And same is true for this three double quotes. So if I put it here, print S4, then in that case, what will happen? It will simply run this, and here you go. Vikas, Kumar, Shakya, all the different lines have been taken under a single string, but they will be printed as different lines. Okay, so that's all.